Right now, as you watch this, something is happening inside your body that no doctor has ever warned you about. It doesn't give you a fever, it doesn't show up on a blood test, but scientists have confirmed it is draining your life force faster than obesity, faster than sitting on a couch all day, and statistically, it's like smoking 15 cigarettes every single day. It's not a virus, it's not a disease, it is the absolute absence of someone who truly knows who you are. Your brain doesn't see it as sadness, it experiences it as a literal survival emergency. For decades, the medical world thought loneliness was just an emotional phase, but a massive analysis tracking more than 308,000 people across the globe for nearly a decade changed everything. The data was airtight. People with strong, real human bonds were 50% more likely to survive than those who were isolated. Loneliness matched the toxic damage of heavy smoking, but nobody listened because nobody understood the brutal biology behind it. To understand why, look at what happens when you completely remove human contact. In the 1950s, psychologists studied prisoners kept in solitary confinement. Within days, healthy minds began to collapse. They saw walls moving and heard voices. Why? Because for 99% of human history, being separated from your tribe was an instant death sentence. No lone human could outrun a predator or survive a winter alone. Your nervous system encoded this over hundreds of thousands of years. Isolation equals death. So when you sit alone in your room today, feeling disconnected, your brain doesn't know you have locks on your doors and food in the fridge. It thinks you're stranded in the wild. It panics. It floods your body with stress hormones. Your blood pressure spikes, inflammation explodes, and your sleep becomes shallow because a body that thinks it's under attack will never allow itself to fully rest. At a genetic level, your body completely alters. The genes that trigger dangerous inflammation permanently turn up, while the genes that fight off viruses completely shut down. Neuroscientists eventually found the smoking gun, a cluster of neurons that switch on only when we are isolated. When they mapped the signals, they realized something shocking. Those signals are neurologically identical to hunger. Your brain does not experience the lack of human connection as sadness. It experiences it as physical starvation. Today, we live in the most connected era in human history. We have thousands of virtual friends and followers. But your DNA doesn't care about a double tap on a screen. It needs eye contact, it needs a voice, it needs to be truly seen. Half of the modern world is physically starving for connection without even knowing it. We spend fortunes on diets and gym memberships to live longer, but we ignore our deepest biological shield. Survival isn't just about protecting your body, it's about protecting your bond. Tonight, don't just scroll. Call an old friend. Walk outside. Meet someone. Your life literally depends on it.